Hello again, my brilliant learners. I'm so glad you're back, curious, brave, and ready for a new word. And today's word is all about stepping into the unknown with courage. Today, we're going to learn the word venture. So, what does venture mean? Venture can be a noun or a verb. As a verb, it means to go somewhere or do something risky or new. As a noun, it means a new activity or business that involves risk or uncertainty. It's a word for brave people, people who try, even if they might fail. Here are 5 example sentences to help you understand and remember the word venture. She decided to venture into the forest alone. He started a new business venture with his friend. I wouldn't venture out in that storm. It's too dangerous. They're planning a new venture in the tech industry. Sometimes you have to venture beyond your comfort zone. All right, now it is time for a short story, just 10 sentences, to help you remember venture in context. A few years ago, I wanted to start a podcast. I had never done anything like it before, and I was nervous. Still, I decided to venture into the world of recording and editing. I bought a microphone, wrote my first script, and gave it a go. The first episode was a little awkward, but I kept going. Each week, I learned something new. Now, I have listeners from all over the world. That small venture changed my life. It taught me that every big dream starts with one small step. Don't wait. Venture out and try something new today. So, that's the word venture, a word for dreamers, doers, and risk-takers. Use it when you talk about bravery, business, or trying something new. See you next time for another exciting word. Take care and keep learning.